Here, I'm going to show you how to make passive income. I'm going to go over a couple proven methods to help you make passive income online. Now, the first method I'm going over is identifying lucrative affiliate programs. With affiliate programs, there are less things that you have to spend time on because, again, somebody else is fulfilling the product for you. Somebody else is actually doing the warehousing and the shipping and the fulfillment and the merchant processing and the website. Everything is basically done for you, so you don't have to do that. You don't have to worry about customer support. You don't have to worry about funnel optimization. You don't have to worry about SSL certificates, any of that random stuff that's a really big drag if you're trying to run a business and make money. You simply promote other people's products and you get paid when sales are made. Now, what you want to look for is affiliate programs that give recurring commissions over time. And not all affiliate programs do, but look for those programs. It's called recurring revenue, and be a part of those affiliate programs. An example of one is ClickFunnels. I get paid over $10,000 every single month, recurring commissions from ClickFunnels, and I got a free car for being an affiliate. Again, I didn't have to create the software. I didn't have to manage the funnel. I don't have to do customer support. I don't have to talk to anybody. All I have to do is link to their product and make money. Another thing you can do is try to find high-ticket affiliate programs so you can make more money per sale. The best type of affiliate programs are ones where you can make high-ticket commissions and recurring revenue. For instance, my affiliate program, Super Affiliate System, you can make $500 from a single customer and then make an additional $125 every single month when you get new customers into my affiliate program. Again, you have high ticket commissions and recurring commissions, so you can stack and stack and stack. We've paid out millions of dollars already this year to affiliates of my program. I think we've paid out $2.3 million last year to affiliates of my affiliate program. So a lot of people are making money, and a lot of that money is recurring, so you can get a piece of that. If you want to learn more about my affiliate program, check out some of the links in the description. The second proven method to make passive income online is creating YouTube videos promoting stuff. YouTube videos can be made once and they can earn money for years and years to come. People are searching for products, so I would recommend you shoot review videos on them. For instance, if you're big into gardening, okay, or you're big into pet toys, do videos where you're reviewing pet toys, you're reviewing lawnmowers, you're reviewing gardening tools, whatever it is, so that you can make money. And those videos, when you shoot them once, you will make commissions years and years in the future. Again, let's use lawnmowers, for instance. A lot of the lawnmowers people use don't change too much over time, and they cost a lot of money. And if you join Amazon's affiliate program, let's say you're reviewing a $400 lawnmower, every time somebody makes a purchase of that lawnmower, you'll make about $25. Now that video will be up for years and years and years to come until YouTube shuts down. So that's passive income. And if you shoot a video a day reviewing a different lawnmower every single day, suddenly you're going to see yourself with thousands and thousands of dollars a day of income just from reviewing lawnmowers, for instance. Again, there are millions of niches out there that you can specialize on. The important thing is that you specialize and you stay consistent. And the third way to make passive income is you can hire an ad manager to run ads for you or for other small businesses. A lot of my students know more about marketing. Even if you're just watching this YouTube channel, you know more about marketing than 99.9% of people in the world today. You can run ads for other affiliate products, or you can run ads for local businesses that don't know how to run ads. And then you can farm that work out to other people. You can use Upwork.com, you can use Guru.com, you can use Fiverr, and you can find ad managers who will do these businesses ads or run your own affiliate ads and make you money. The best is to find somebody who comes highly recommended from friends who are successful in marketing. And if you go to my ad videos, I have a number of videos where I teach about how to do advertising. You can find some people there in the description or the links in the pinned comment that will run ads for you. And you can save up the commissions that you earn from free YouTube video traffic, and you can invest that money into running ads and making even more money. And once you've done that, you've created two passive income sources, which is you both have your YouTube videos and you have somebody running ads to them, so you get even more affiliate commissions from all of the people watching your stuff and buying the products that you recommend. Woo! So